want to play a very grey character. Like, I think, I always feel like something like Gone Girl, which is like really grey, really edgy, not a good girl at all. I don't think I ever go by the genre. I think I go by the character. Please don't think that it's tough for tall women to be anywhere. I heard Salman sir had told someone that, that you carry your height, I'll carry mine. Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. So yeah, Dopati has been my most challenging one so far.
ठीक है. On that note, we'll open it for the fans. We have taken questions from them, so you can just take the chits and they can ask from.
Oh, these are what names?
Yeah, these are the names.
Shivam Kulkarni. Hi Shivam.
Hi Kriti. First of all, you are looking really pretty today.
Thank you.
So, ever since you debuted with Heropanti and later all the scripts which you have picked, be it Bhediya, Mimi, Luka Chupi, every film had that hatke factor to it. So, is there any particular genre or a type of role which you haven't explored yet and you are dying to do it in future?
Like I said, action is something I'm dying to do, which I haven't done yet properly. I would also want to play a very grey character. Like, I think, I always feel like something like Gone Girl, which is like really grey, really edgy, not a good girl at all. Because I think that'll be fun. It's away from me as a person totally. And also I think a grey shade is just fun to play because there's so much layered to that character.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sorry. I only have to pick up. Nidhi Kothari. Hi Nidhi.
First of all, you are looking really pretty.
Thank you.
My question is that how do you unfold different type of characters for different genres and how do you unlayer each of them since you have been doing a lot of genres lately?
I don't think I ever go by the genre. I think I go by the character. I don't think I can think कि अच्छा ये action genre है या ये period genre है तो ये character कहाँ से है, ये character कैसा है. I also feel that a lot is in the script, so you have to sometimes see what is hidden in the script that you can get for the character to understand the character. Sometimes it's also nice to have a backstory, to find where the character is coming. ये कहानी जब शुरू हुई इससे पहले कहाँ था ये, इसमें क्या यूनिक हो सकता है, चाहे वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो, चाहे where she's from and how she talks. Is there any quirk that I can add in the scope of the film? And like I said, how do you can find a lot in the script hidden as a subtext. Like I'll give you an example. In Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya, of course, it was very challenging for me to find how to play this robot who is so close to being a human. I used to always second guess कि ये ज़्यादा human तो नहीं हो रहा है या ये ज़्यादा robotic तो नहीं हो रहा है. There was one scene where Shahid's character Aryan is upset and I am upset and he asks Dimple ma'am कि ये upset क्यों है. So Dimple ma'am says क्योंकि तू upset है. So that just gave me a thing that okay, Sifra reacts as per the admin's mood. So if my admin is upset, I will be upset. So basically, I'm in a way mirroring his mood. So she first comes and she gauges with, your pupils, your heart, your smile, everything, your micro expressions of are you happy, are you sad, are you feeling stressed, you're looking tensed. So all of that. And then she sort of mirrors his mood. So that scene sort of helped me a lot where I was like, okay, this is how she maybe functions, So every time I see Shahid, I have to mirror his mood. So if he's happy, I'll be happy. If he's feeling serious, sad, like meri memory chali jati hai and he's typing something on the laptop and I just look at him and I'm like, you look tensed. So she's constantly gauging ki iska mood kaisa hai. So there are these little things that you can sort of find in the script hidden somewhere, which you have to like read it multiple times and see what you can take out of it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Neil. Hi Neil.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you are looking much pretty.
Thank
So,
you. ये क्या किसी को मैंडेट बोला है सबको बोलना है? हाँ?
no. So, ma'am, Betty Mishra or Rashmi Tiwari, which character is closest to your life?
Oh, they are actually very close to each other also somewhere. I think हर character में हम थोड़ा बहुत अपना कहीं कोई quality डाल देते हैं अगर डाल सकते हैं तो. I would say I'm closer to. It's very tough because they both are very similar. Maybe Rashmi because I think वो थोड़ा दिल्ली में पली बड़ी है, थोड़ी सी वो urban है in her thinking, in the way she talks. That's why maybe if you watch the film you'll hear a lot of North Indian palette of talking. She is that progressive where she is like, hello, पहले जान तो लो, मैं ऐसे शादी नहीं कर सकती. And where she says कि खाना मैं बनाऊँ, खाना मुझसे नहीं बनेगा, ये मुझसे नहीं होगा, तुम ये करो, मैं ये करती हूँ. So she's very progressive where she's like it has to be equal. I think that is more me. Bitty Mishra का कुछ part is something that I really related to, which was that she also does what she likes doing, and she has a very strong mind. Where if the person asks कि आप virgin है क्या, she says नहीं है, अब आप हैं क्या. So she is that strong headed where she takes command, and वो शादी भी कर रही है तो for her she needs to be respected. That's what she's looking for. So in a way both, but more Rashmi I would say. Shakshi Sharma, my god, tongue twister.
So hi Kriti ma'am, very
Hi.
big fan of you. I wanted to ask, you being 5'10", how was it different for you to crack in the industry than others? Because first hand you were a model. So how different
5'9" and a half I would say, but it wasn't difficult. Why would it be difficult? There are so many tall women in our industry, whether it's Deepika, whether it's Katrina, whether it's Anushka, whether it's Sonam. There are like many tall women. Sushmita Sen has been there since when? So no, I'm proud of my height, and I think it's one of the reasons that I can carry anything and everything. And not at all. It's please don't think that it's tough for tall women to be
as
anywhere.
in the experience, how was it like when you were breaking and you were coming and carrying everything?
I have worked with many actors who are shorter than me, and I don't think it matters at the end of it. I think when you look for chemistry is here. So chemistry is all about the face, is all about the acting. So I don't think height has any role to play in it. And I heard Salman sir had told someone that, that you carry your height, I'll carry mine.
Thank you ma'am.
Radhika.
Yeah, hi, Kriti.
Hi, Radhika.
So first of all, I'm not going to say that you're looking pretty because you're.
You can say, it's okay.
So actually, before asking the question, I wanted to say that I have been observing your role since Rabta. So it was a discussion in my family, in fact, that she is doing really great, but we are not seeing a lot. But in Rabta, we just observed your role and it was a fabulous role.
Thank
I
you.
think that's when I started following you for that. And my question to you is that who's your favorite co-star to work with?
This coffee with current time questions now. Who's your favorite? How can I say favorite now? There are many. Honestly, I've been blessed with some really, really good, fun co-stars to work with. Whether it is, friends like Varun or Karthik. But obviously, I have to say the one I've worked maximum number of times with is Pankaj Tripathi. So I would definitely say
Fabulous.
that he is my favorite, and I think I've done about like 3 films with him, maybe, and we've had 4 films, and we've had a very different equation in every film. Whether it is him playing my father in Bareli Ki Barfi, which I feel was the most adorable father-daughter relationship that I've seen. I totally loved it. 2, in Luka Chupi, he almost like chedos me in a bit. 2, in Mimi, of course, playing Bhanu, and Bhanu and Mimi had a very unique relationship. I always used to say it's one relationship which you cannot categorize in कि ये क्या है, ये दोस्त हैं, ये भाई बहन है, नहीं, ये lovers हैं, नहीं. So I was like, it's okay. हर रिश्ते का नाम होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. But he's such a versatile actor. I think he's a fantastic actor, and I always feel so amazing and so proud whenever I see him get the love that he does. And he's been doing some amazing work. Murder Mubarak, he's outstanding. And he's just so watchable, you know, no matter what he does. वो simple से scene को कुछ alive कर देते हैं. And yeah, I would love to work with him again soon. It's been a while.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.
Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. My dad's name is Rahul.
Hi Kriti.
Hi.
I think we all would like to take a moment to say again that you look very pretty.
Thank you. I love that you
And-
said it on behalf of everyone.
Because if everyone keeps saying that, we won't have time to ask you questions.
True.
Pardon me. So I would like to tell you that I would like to ask you actually that you've had such a beautiful journey in the industry, and I think this is the first time I'm seeing you in person. And what is that one thing that you think you knew? Because I also am an aspiring actor, and I would like to know from you what has helped you or what has taken you so far. You know, the one thing that you made you stand out among your contemporaries.
I think my individuality, I would say. I feel like very often you have a lot of people around you who are telling you to behave a certain way, to be a certain way, to do certain films, to, this is what people do, or everyone is doing this, or dress like this, behave like this, talk like this. I think slowly you see a lot of people just becoming clones of each other, and what has to be unique to you is your personality. So the fact that I still, at my core, I'm still that Patparganj ki, Delhi ki ladki, I don't think that has changed. I think, there was a phase when people would be like, there has to be some mystery because you're an actor. You have to have some mystery about you. So don't be so out there on social media. Then when you're not so out there, then they're like, but you have to be relatable, so you be out there on social media. I just feel like you have to be real, and you have to be honest and truthful to yourself. Be you, because there's only one. So I would genuinely say that don't try to change your personality or yourself to fit in. What you bring to the table has to be very unique, and that only you can do if you're not trying to be like someone else. So I think that has got me a long way. I do believe that there is a certain relatability also, because I do come from a very simple middle class background, which I believe my audiences feel from me, and that is something that also gets captured in the camera. Whether it's your eyes. When your eyes have some vulnerability, something real, something that has not been corrupt, I think that sort of translates on screen. So always keep that alive.
I just saw Teri Baaton Mein Ulja Jiya, and the simplicity with which you have played it, I think that's what made you stand out. And I think I'm going to watch Crew soon. So cheers
Please
to you.
do. In fact, Teri Baaton Mein, Sifra, in my head was, I had to find, okay, what should I say she is like? What is she like? And for me, I was like, when she says, "Main to bas 1 saal ki hu," and I was like, okay, actually she's childlike. She is childlike. She's not corrupt. Humans are complicated. She's not complicated. जो दिखता है, जो फील होता है, वो बोल देती है. अंदर कुछ, दिमाग में कुछ, बोल कुछ और रही है, वो वैसी नहीं है. So she's very childlike. She's innocent. There's something very innocent about her. So that is one innocence that I kept till she goes mad, and then you suddenly see a psycho. But till there, I maintain that childlike innocence. So yeah, thank you for saying that. Ankita Singh.
Hi Kriti, you are looking damn gorgeous.
See, even though you said it, people are saying it. So
And
thank you.
Before I ask question, I want to congratulate you for winning National Award for Mimi.
Thank you so much.
And my question to you is, what has been the most challenging character you have played and why?
I think the one that is still not out which is Dopatti. It's hard for me to tell you why, because अभी उसका खाली टीज़र ही निकला है. But I can say कि उसमें मैंने कुछ ऐसा किया है पहली बार प्ले जो मैंने किसी और फिल्म में नहीं किया है. It was really challenging, not just physically, body language wise, but also emotionally a lot. And it's got a lot of graph. It's got like emotion. It's got drama. It's got, you know, a lot of layered character. As it's Kanika, it has to be layered. So yeah, Dopatti has been my most challenging one so far.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
I wish you all the best. And you are one of my favorite actresses.
Thank you.
And wish you all the best and keep us entertaining.
Thank you so much. Twisha. Like tweet. That.
Tweet, yeah. So hi Kriti, you look gorgeous and I love your outfit.
Thank
so,
you.
You won a national award for Mimi. What made you sign up for that role? Like what made you say yes for doing that role?
As I mentioned before, I was really craving to find something which is layered and deep and, you know, that I can just sink my teeth in. I knew कि मेरे अंदर बहुत कुछ है, बट मुझे वैसा कोई कैरेक्टर या फिल्म नहीं मिल रही है जहाँ पे मैं इतना कुछ दिखा सकती हूँ. और जब मिमी मेरे पास आई, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, I said yes to the film on the basis of this one line that Dinesh Vijayandinu had told me when we were on a flight, where he just told me that this young girl and she ends up, becoming a surrogate, and it's based on true events of this one Firang couple who ran away, and it ends with a thought of there are so many homeless kids, around, and the kid doesn't have to be your own for you to love, and you can adopt, and give a child a home. That was a thought. I'm getting goosebumps even now inside this full sleeves. But that's what I felt. I just felt like it just said something so important and so relevant that made me say yes. But beyond that, when I heard the script, I just felt like it had so much for me to do as an actor. There were a lot of people who told me ki, Are, you're so young, why do you want to play a mother? Or surrogacy as a subject is so serious, a film on a female on such a serious subject, films don't work. And like I said, it was made for theatre, so box office was a big thing, and people were like, surrogacy is a serious subject. Someone said tum badi aarti ho gayi ho. so I did get a lot of that where okay, maybe you should not do this at this point in your career, but I think the actor in me was just so excited, and I never even thought कि इसमें कुछ ऐसा है जो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. मुझे बस लगा कि ये लड़की की जर्नी कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग है, जो बच्चे पसंद नहीं करती है, जो रणवीर सिंह के पोस्टर से बातें करती है, इतनी नाइव है ये, जो एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है, और फिर वो जब माँ बन जाती है उसके साथ क्या होता है, एंड द होल चेंज इन हर. So for me it was entirely the script, but first thought was the one line of adoption.
Thank you, and many more national awards coming for you.
Thank you so much. I hope so. Siddhesh. Hi Siddhesh. I've seen you before.
Yes.
Many times I feel.
When I first met you at that Marks and Spencer's 100 shop opening at Villa Parle.
Okay.
And at recently we are met at Fan Festival.
Yeah.
EXO launch.
Yeah.
So then I got this Finquilla to meet you.
You really have a lot of questions, I must say.
Yes, because I have tried many times to meet you.
Very sweet of you. See, I remember your face.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting better with
I'm
faces.
Attended a
Thank you so much.
lecture which was happening over here before as well. He thought that is the masterclass, so he first attended that.
कौन सा lecture सुन लिया आपने?
Economics. पूरा सुन लिया अभी. कॉलेज का था.
He's like Rancho from 3. He said जिधर भी knowledge मिलती है मैं
लपेट लो.
So cool.
Because I'm your biggest fan, so I tried
sweet.
many times to meet you. I saw you at third time in front of me.
This is the third time.
Yes, this is the third time.
Third time.
First
Supposed to be
time
very
I-
lucky. See, that's why you're asking a
Yes,
question
yes,
today.
yes. So my question is कि आप और नुपुर मैम दोनों एक साथ मूवी कब करेंगे? स्पेशली तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि तेरी बातों में उलझा जाएगा सेकंड पार्ट सिफ्रा 1 एंड सिफ्रा 2 जो
बट अभी
Maybe.
सिफ्रा 2 भी मैं ही बन के आ गई हूँ तो
अभी
अभी
सिफ्रा 2 के साथ
और
दूसरी
सिफ्रा 1 को तो उसने मार दिया ना.
नहीं।
मार कर एकदम.
मार तो तभी तो आधा तो रुला दिया आपने रिसेंटली आपने रुला दिया वो लास्ट सीन में ही
सिफ्रा का तो पता नहीं बिकॉज दैट इज ऑब्वियसली वीव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हाउ द पार्ट 2 वुड स्टार्ट. But me and Nupur, yeah, that would be great. We've done a lot of ads together actually. So I love working with her. She gets annoyed because I become this teacher on set that don't do this, don't do that, do this like this. And she's like, can you please stop being this national award winner to me? I don't want your advice. But I would love to work with her. It depends on a script, honestly, which we have to be offered together, which we both have to love. So yeah, I think you should put it out in the universe.
यस आपका एक इंस्टा पे आया था आपका एक रील भी आया था कि आप कहीं पे कुछ गाना गा रहे हैं और नुपुर मैम बीच में कुछ बोल रहे थे तो आपने पर चिल्ला दिया आपका कोई एक रील था बहुत फेमस हुआ था वो भी
Yeah. We do some fun stuff sometimes.
Okay,
She
thank you.
forces me to.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
but thank you.
कैन आई गेट अ पिक विद यू एट लास्ट
Then you come here right now only, actually.
थैंक यू सो मच
You will have to take, sorry. अरे आपने इकोनॉमिक्स का लेक्चर सुना है मेरे लिए इतना तो बनता ही था.
On that note, thank you so much, Kriti. It was lovely speaking to you. I hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Absolutely. I hope you guys didn't get bored, yeah. बहुत या तो बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहे थे या सो रहे थे. ध्यान से सुन रहे थे. But I hope it was also entertaining and it's lovely to just share a part of our lives that you sometimes don't get to see or get to know. So I actually love these fan interactions way more than our solo interviews. But thank you so much for being here and being such a lovely audience.
Perfect. Thank you and wish you all the best for 2024. I'm sure this is just the beginning.
Thank you. Hope so.
Yes, thank you.